Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Learning Guitar. We have Teddy Swims here. He had a bad dream. Bad Dreams is the title of this song, and yeah, if you release songs every time you had bad dreams, yeah, no problems for me. Let Teddy have bad dreams. This is a great song, and we're gonna look at this with the capo set on the 3rd fret. So with that, we have 4 different chords. So 4 chords, A minor, G, F, and E minor. Let's take a look at the chords first. So capo on 3rd, put that on, and you're gonna play like this for A minor. That is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord is G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have F next, that's a bar chord. So you play the bar on the 1st fret, you cover all strings there with the index finger, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And the final chord is E minor. And that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Okay, so there we have all the tools, A minor, G, F, and E minor. So I'm gonna take you through from the beginning to the very end. It's a melody that goes on here, and you can play it with picking style or the down style. So yeah, let's start from the beginning. It goes with A minor first, like this. Okay, so I'm gonna show you with picking style. I think that is the better choice here if you can, because you have more control over the notes, but you can also think as downs here. Every pick is 1 down. So you're gonna play like this first. You pick from the chord, the A minor, open A, and then as many strings as you can, but the important string here is the open high E. Okay, so the bass note also it's important, of course, backs it up, but the note, the melody goes on the high E. So once, and then clap, and then 2 more times on the pick. You don't have to incorporate the bass strings for all of this times you play the open E string. Perhaps it's sometimes enough with just the first time, then you let that one ring out, and you can also play it 2 or 3 times here. It's up to you to make this, but the melody is important here, so it will be once, then clap, and then 2 times. Like I said, you can incorporate strings in between there as well. As long as you hold the chord, it will fit perfectly well there with the sound. So then comes the G, and you're just gonna hit it once. So now you have the 3rd fret E string on the bass. That's the bass note. Okay, so that is played together with the 3rd fret B string. Just once like this, and that's the G for this time. Over now to F, and you're gonna play like this. So what I do here, I hold the full chord as it is, and I pick the 1st fret E string in the bass, that's a bass note. And now the melody goes on the 1st fret B string to start with. Then comes the clap, and then 1st fret B string. Then 1st high E, and then open high E. That's the F part. So clap. And to get the 1st and open E string, I release the tension on the bar finger, so I just move up like this. Okay? But I still keep that 1st fret on the E string in the bass, because I want that bass to ring out meanwhile. So okay, so I don't release everything, because that will kill the bass. So okay, you see, it stays there. So that's some technical stuff, and that's the F part. Over now to G again, and you're gonna play like this. Okay, so that is to play 3rd fret on E string in the bass together with 3rd B once, and then comes the clap, and then 2 times again on the 3rd B string. That's the G part, and then comes the F. Just 1 kick on the bass string, that is the 1st fret E string in the bass, together now with the 1st B string. And again, when I say the 1st B string, it's never wrong to add more strings from the actual chorus. So I play the D and G string here as well to support it. Okay. And then we have the final chord left, and guess what? It's the E minor, and it goes like this. That is to play the open E string in the bass together with open B once. Then comes the clap, and then 3 times on the open B string. And of course, again, you can add more strings from the actual chord when you do the open B. So I use perhaps the D string and G as well. Okay, so there you have the melody. Slowly it goes like this. That's 1 round. You play like this from the beginning till the very end. And remember, I said you can do this with just downs instead of picking, and that would be something like this. And picking. And so on. All right, so there you have it. Teddy Swims, Bad Dreams. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, feel free to support me here on Gordon Guitar, of course. So thank you for watching. See you soon, and play tuned.